Hi, Incredibles. Welcome back. And how is your uh, last week session?
It was so amazing, so amazing. Like we just analyzed that how much we are encoded in ourselves. That's why we are stopping ourselves to grow. And really, it's a different kind of experience. It amazed us. And definitely, if we'll change it to E code and we can just achieve whatever we want. That thing I can say.
Hey, Maji, what about you?
Yeah, it's really amazing session because I never knew about e codes, n codes, which I carried from
Good, like,
childhood.
yes.
So this is really amazing. I know why my growth is not going properly. Why I'm stuck. I my
Why you're
imagination
not happy?
very powerful, but because of my encodes, it's stopped me and you can't do it. You can't. Why you lazy? That's I got clarity in my life, and really I felt lighter inside.
Very good.
That's really amazing.
See, now the computer has generated you a new, computer generated e codes. What happens is, whatever computer says, it doesn't, accept the mind. So we have to write with our own words. Okay? It can be in your own language, like Hindi mein likhna hai, ya Telugu mein likhna hai, English mein likhna hai. Whatever language, even in the English also, if you change it to that language which your mind can easily accept it. So then what will happen is it is your own. These codes are your own codes. Then it start affecting very powerfully, right? So
Mhm.
now can you share your e-codes, what you have written? Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Hemaji, can you
Yeah,
share?
I will. Yeah, I will. I will. My e codes, the lesson of the past the lesson of the past makes me strong. That is my first e code.
Very good.
Second is I will do it now.
Very good.
Now I will do it. I'm a committed. I need I lead myself. Fourth is sorry, and I achieve. I'm a achieve of my life. Whatever I want, this is I will make, and I like working in a comfortable environment. This is my sixth.
Very good. So how you are feeling after writing these things?
It's really that power power inside and power. It's get more powerful,
Good, good.
making a more powerful, and it's really amazing. But one day can't remove your all e-codes, but I think whenever I try my e-codes daily basis, definitely it works.
Uh, so Asha ji, can you share your e-codes?
Yes, I will share my input. Uh, like, I'm so powerful that I can create my life beautiful under the God's guidance. My second is technology is just a new skill. I will I like to learn new learnings. My choices are best, will help me to grow. Fourth, my friend feels happy, inspired, and motivated with me. Fifth, I can manage my work life and personal life beautifully. Say, next is everybody has their own opinion, but I have to prioritize my work, my things beforehand.
So now what you have to do is you have to write, if you have live your life from now in the end code, which is the negative code. Whatever your negative codes in mind, you start living your life and visualize yourself for next 15 years and write down in a piece of paper how you are going to feel.
Mhm.
Okay. So for example, throughout your life, you're depending about technology on somebody, whether
Yeah.
your husband or your son. So you write down that painful story because mind has to understand if I go through this end course, how painful it is. Same way, Ashaji, you also, I mean, Hemaji, you also have so many end codes. So you have to
Yes.
write down, if you live in this end course for next 15 years, how painful your life will be. Okay? Your mind has to visualize and fear from that end course. Then it will start changing itself. Then the second work what you have to do is you have to start writing e-codes, the powerful codes, empowering codes, which you have written just now. You have to write a story visualizing for next 15 years. Suppose my own example, when I start writing, I earn a lot of money. Money is coming easily to me. I am becoming more healthy. My all the businesses which I'm starting is able to do well. So these kind of things are coming. So once your mind visualize, once you start thinking this, and it is going to happen. And now, a lot of people they were depending on the relation, they're stuck in relationship. So love is not. You should not beg for love. You should be a donor of love. So these kind of quotes when you change it, you become more powerful. So whatever area it is, whether it's a relationship, whether it's money, whether it's business, whether it's joy, happiness. So what you have to do, this is your homework, you write down because the more time you sit and write down, your mind will understand the pain in the end codes and the pain in the e codes. You'll do
Yeah.
it?
Sure,
Yes, yes,
definitely.
sure, sure.
Yeah. So I should see
Yeah,
this.
I write down in a end codes about end codes.
End,
After 15 years, how to
no.
impact my
From now, no, from now, if you live in the end codes, if you live with the
if
end codes, so how painful it is.
how painful it is.
Okay. So next 15 years, how your life will be. You have to write down that. And
Okay.
then end codes. If you live, change your codes in your mind and start living in the end codes, how beautiful, how happy your life will be next 15 years. That's what you have to write down.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, and then what we have to do is we have to write down these e-codes everywhere. Okay, and keep it in your computer, keep it in your mirror, and start reading with passion, with very loudly, so that your mind, it has to go into your mind and it has to be part of your life. Suppose you want to go for exercise, what is your end code? You say you are I'm lazy, so you just read it. I'm not lazy, I'm very powerful. Then immediately you will go for your exercise. Okay,
Yes, you're
so
right.
if you say I live in pajamas, I will be very casual, then you change it. When you read the encode, the E code from encode, when you change it to E code, then you will start wearing good dress, start presentable yourself, and start enthusiastically. So your life will become very beautiful and happy. Similarly, Ashaji, when you start depending on your technology or start depending on something, so lifelong you have to depend on somebody for help.
Yes.
The moment you
Yes.
change, it is not a great thing. I can learn it. So then you can teach your son, you can teach your husband. Like this is a new technology which has come, which they don't know. The technologies are changing quickly. It's only
Yeah.
your mind which is stopping you. You think I'm dependent. You change it
Yes.
to powerful thing. Okay?
Right.
Yeah,
Definitely.
yeah. I'm asking you one question. Whenever I think in a with end quotes,
Yeah.
so life is very miserable. I know,
Yeah.
but why I'm write down in a with the end quotes? Because I know it's whenever I write and something with the end quotes, it's hurting me. It give me a pain. It will be give me a pain. So why I'm go through I'm just write down with the e codes. Why I'm write down in a and
Okay. See, it is just
just
like
one story.
suppose you have a kid at home. He
Yeah,
he is going and touching the fire. So you are telling don't touch, but he's going and touching the fire. The moment he got the shock or
yeah,
the heat, then his mind will understand. If you touch it, it will get burned. So then his mind will say to him, don't go near to that. So that fear psychosis has to be given to your mind, and then you have to feed your mind with the powerful empowering quotes. So that's what I'm saying. You get up, when you go for a walk, you go on telling these quotes.
But
And
I write down only with the E quotes. Why I'm going into a N quotes, because it's really painful,
it's
and
okay. It's
again,
okay.
I don't want to go with the N quotes. So it's a compulsory to write down with the story
I
with
think,
the N quotes.
yeah,
Yeah.
I think we will be able to compare the difference.
Okay, okay.
You
We
know,
will compare how my life going with the
Yeah.
N quotes and how
When you
my life
when you
going.
keep both together, you'll
Mhm.
see it is so painful, it is so powerful. So then you decide, your mind will decide. Okay, so then you have to drill into your mind with these 6 powerful quotes. So to do that, you have to write down everywhere. While walking, you go and telling yourself. In the front of mirror, you shout to yourself that, yeah, I am powerful.
Yeah, I'm powerful.
Okay, I'm beautiful, I'm this, whatever your quotes. If you start telling in front of your mirror and shout, let the people laugh, but you shout so that your mind will believe.
Living.
Okay, so
Yeah.
good to see your happy
I will
faces.
try.
I
I
can,
will
yeah,
try. Yeah.
I can see the pain has gone and you are becoming
Yeah.
more powerful. Okay, all
Yeah.
the best, and we'll meet again next week. But I want you to do this homework of writing both the things, right?
Yeah. Definitely, I will write.
definitely
Okay.
we'll do it.
Uh,
Yes.
Clap yourself for being this program and see your life changing every step. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely I will do. Thank you, Nadeem ji. You gave me a good advice, not advice. Give me a path which I can go with the positive way. Definitely, I will do, and
You
I
will.
will teach my
This is
life.
my promise that you'll get a transformation. Okay.
Yeah,
But when you do it yourself, you have to write
yeah,
your story. If you don't write
right.
your story, your mind will not believe. Whatever lecture I give, it
Yeah,
doesn't work. So you have to, your mind has to believe, right?
you're
Yeah.
right.
You're
Asha ji,
right.
please do the job. We'll meet.
Definitely.
Yeah,
Definitely.
we'll
Yeah.
meet again next week. All the best.
Yeah.
Thank
Have a
you.
nice day.
Uh,
Have lots of fun.
Yeah, sure.
Definitely.
Thank you. Okay,
Okay.
bye.
Thank
Take
you, Ji.
care.
Yeah.